Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best vehicle of all time. Today I am going to make video on 10 amazing vehicle that will blow everyone's mind. Please watch the full video, subscribe the channel and do like and share the video. Poimo Portable and Inflatable Mobility is a soft and transportable personal electric scooter that can be inflated with air. Created in collaboration by Kawahara Lab Niyama Lab of the University of Tokyo and Mercari R4D of Mercari, Inc. Poimo aims to redefine electric personal mobility by combining it with soft robotics. Poimo is not the first micro-mobility solution we've seen out there, but it is certainly an intriguing one. With a total weight of 5.5 kilograms, the scooter is so compact that it can be folded into an average-sized backpack. The design uses soft robotic technology, resulting in a device that is soft, safe and lightweight enough for people to carry and to allow users to ride it on and off anywhere. In order to reduce the overall weight, a wireless batteryless powering system has been developed. The Poimo is made of a drop-stitch material that is light and strong, and although the scooter is still under development, it has been confirmed that it can support a person's weight. The inflatable body is made from a thermoplastic polyurethane, the same strong material used in airbags, where the independent components are attached. Front and rear wheels, battery, electric motor, handlebars, and the wireless controller. The company says that the process of getting your scooter ready, inflating it and attaching its components shouldn't take more than. Kwiggle is super compact and super fast. This worldwide unique combination takes foldability and mobility into new level of freedom. Real mobility to go. Due to the hand luggage size, you can stow and take this folding bike everywhere. It fits on the train and bus, all cars, lockers, sailboats, small planes, paddle boats, an endless list. With the trolley function you can easily take the Kwiggle with you, unparalleled in the world. The physiological optimal riding position transports more of your weight into speed than with other bicycles and relaxes your back at the same time. That is why riding a Kwiggle is more like walking than cycling. You really have to experience the fantastic flexibility of a Kwiggle. Take a look at how you can stow the Kwiggle, its speed, the trolley function, and on the upright cycling position of this amazing folding bike in our latest video. Get an idea of what Kwiggle users around the world already enjoy with this unique folding bike. With the Kwiggle, you can get to enjoy sustainable mobility from the future. This is the world's first superquad. It's called the ENGLER Desert, and it's the most powerful quadbike in the world. The four-wheeler not only looks like a supercar, but it has the same V10 engine as the Audi R8. The engine isn't the only thing the superquad took from Audi. It also shares an identical wheelbase as the R8. Its headlights and taillights are also replicas of those you'll find on the Audi R8. Created by ENGLER Automotive, the SuperQuad has some wild numbers attached to it. The company claims its SuperQuad has 1,100 horsepower, that's more than a Bugatti Veyron, which has just 987 horsepower. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and go on to reach a top speed of 350 km per hour, 217 miles per hour. And with a claimed weight of 1,100 kilograms, it has a 1:1 horsepower to weight ratio. The ENGLER SuperQuad isn't small either. It measures 4,670 millimeters in length, making it longer than an actual Audi R8 coupe. In fact, if it weren't for the handlebars, the Desert would almost look like any other hype. Based in Tacoma, Washington, USA, ZEVA began creating an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing (EVTOL) passenger aircraft concept design in 2017 for advanced air mobility (AVAIL). The company first designed and created a sub-scale prototype called Zero emissions electric vertical aircraft with the ultimate goal to create a full-size production aircraft to provide alternative options to people for their daily commute. ZEVA has enlisted engineers from around the world to help build their EVTOL aircraft. According to one August 2022 article, the company has raised around $700,000 United States dollars to date. The Zero is a one-passenger EVTOL aircraft that transitions from hover mode to forward flight mode and cruises comfortably at 160 miles per hour, 258 kilometers per hour. The aircraft can be manually flown or flown by remote control. In the future, the company plans for the aircraft have an autonomous option. The range of the aircraft is 50 miles, 80 kilometers, and its maximum payload weight is 220. This versatile electric motorcycle challenges the norm with its unique blend of dirt bike and scooter features, making it a standout option for riders looking to explore any terrain. One of the key strengths of the Kuberg Ranger is its powerful 14,000-watt motor, which delivers unbeatable power and performance. Riders will appreciate its impressive range of up to 120 miles, allowing for extended adventures without worrying about running out of battery. The addition of a double battery option further extends the range, making it an ideal choice for those looking for longer rides. Comfort is not overlooked in the Ranger, as it boasts a fully reclining seat with airlift technology. This innovative feature offers riders the option to adjust their seating position during long rides, ensuring a comfortable experience no matter the distance. The lightweight steel frame adds to the overall comfort and maneuverability of the bike. Loaded with features, the Kuberg Ranger stands out among its competitors. The fast-popping seat, tubular steel frame, and 14,000-watt powertrain are just a few examples of the attention to detail put into its design. For cyclists in many parts of the world, the arrival of winter signals the end of proper outdoor bike riding. Well, they might want to check out the Arosno e-Trace, as it's designed specifically for cycling in the snow. Created by French entrepreneurs Romain Faure and Agathe Lebrun, the e-Trace is sort of a recumbent electric assist tricycle. Instead of wheels, though, it has two steerable polyethylene skis in front and a Camso snowmobile-style rubber track in the back. The whole thing reportedly tips the scales at 45 kilograms, 99 pounds, and can support a maximum rider weight of 120 kilograms, 265 pounds. Some of its other features include 45 millimeters of front suspension and Inviolo continuously variable gearbox, a Magura MT5 step hydraulic disc brake, plus a 550-lumen Supernova Mini 2 Pro headlight and a Supernova E3 taillight. A rack for carrying a second battery is an optional extra. If the Arosno e-Trace sounds like your cup of tea, you can pre-order one now via the company website. The total cost, due before the planned delivery next November, will be €6,690, about US $7,904. Introducing the Zapata JETRACER, an extraordinary aircraft design featuring 10 jet engines for vertical takeoff and landing, rapid acceleration, and nimble landings developed by Zapata, founded by ex-jet ski champion Frankie Zapata. This personal flying machine represents innovation at its finest, capable of reaching altitudes of 10,000 feet and speeds up to 150 miles per hour. The Zapata JETRACER offers a 10-minute flight time 4:48 and can transport up to 440 pounds of cargo. With its sleek carbon fiber construction, it not only looks ultra-modern but also has diverse applications, including transportation, recreation, surveillance, and military use. Remote or autonomous control adds an extra layer of versatility. Launched commercially in 2023 in the United Music States.